What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and in this video you may remember we recently reviewed the NUU N10, and this time we're actually going to be reviewing a brand new phone, the N30. Now you might be wondering, what is the N30? The new website mostly just lists the B30. I'll be talking about that this video, but first I want to give a shout out to Geeks Outfit. You can see I have their Dino No Internet shirt. I'm a fan of this sweatshirt quite a bit, and Geeks Outfit has a ton of really cool geek and tech clothing. I'll put a link to their site in the description below. But jumping into the video itself, this is the NUU N30, the NUU N30, as they say. I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the plastic here so you can see it, because it's a little glary. And alright, so here is the NUU N30. This version supports GSM on bands 2, 3, 5, and 8, WCDMA on 1, 2, 4, 5, and 8, LTE on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 12, 13, 17, 25, 26, 66, and 71. Now, what are the specs of this? This is a 6.67 inch HD plus display. This is 720 by 1600, so it's a widescreen 720 display. This is a 2 gigahertz octa-core CPU, so 8 cores with 2 gigahertz each. It has a 8 megapixel front camera and a wild 50 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus VGA rear camera. So lots of camera action on this one. It'll be exciting to actually try those out. It has 6 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of internal memory, and a 5,000 milliamp hour battery. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what it looks like. It looks like we have the dark purple one here, which actually has a nice look to it. So we'll see what the phone looks like. Look at that. So we do have a very nice bluish purple. It even kind of fades to green on that finish. Beautiful looking finish on that. Now let's go ahead and take the phone out first. Here you can see what that looks like. Now if you look on the side, we have our SIM card and SD card slot. On the top, it looks like we have a speaker. On the bottom, we have the USB-C, another speaker slot, and yes, a 3.5 millimeter port, as well as a microphone down there. That's always nice to see. And on this side we have our volume buttons and our power button. Very cool. And then welcome to the family. Scan the QR code to start. So I'm going to set this aside and see what else is in the box here. We do have a AC adapter, which is great to see because not all phones include these anymore. Let me try and get it to focus. There it is. So this is an 18 watt charger, and it does also come with the AC cord, or AC cord. It is a USB-C cord, a USB-A on one side, USB-C on the other. So I guess it is an AC cord, A2C cord. Let me set that aside. It has a SIM card opener right there, so you can take the SIM card and the SD card out. And then it's got a little secret surprise down here. If you saw the N10 video, you're familiar with this, but if you pull this up, they actually include not just some stickers as well as the getting started guide, but they actually include a case. This is a feature I absolutely love about new phones, is that they include cases with them, so you don't have to actually do anything, purchase anything separate to protect them. And beyond that, we actually have a screen protector. No, it's not this one. I know you're thinking, oh, this screen protector, obviously that one has to come off because that's just this. No, if you look close, you'll actually see that there is a screen protector applied. You can see it kind of by the camera there. There is a screen protector already applied on this, so it's gonna make sure that it's nice and safe. And then you could immediately drop it into its case so that you're going to keep it not only safe, but looking pretty cool too. We do have some interesting designs here on the cameras in the back. There are 3 cameras as well as some sensors, so it'll be interesting to try this out and actually see what the quality is like and go from there. But thank you so much to NUU Phone for sending these out. absolutely a fan, and for the price of these phones, you just can't really beat them. And the cool thing about this is the fingerprint sensor is right on the left side, so you can easily just grab and press the button and it immediately logs in, which is really nice. And it also has facial recognition as well. You can't really see that. There you go. Unlock with your face. So let's go ahead and do that. And just like that, it was that quick. And looking into the phone, we actually have a 90 hertz refresh rate, which is awesome for gaming. Things are going to look a whole lot nicer. Or you can also, of course, set it to 60 hertz to save battery, but who wants to do that? We're going to leave this at 90. That way we can game and do all that fun stuff just like that. So if I go ahead and lock the phone, just place my finger right on it and it unlocks just like that. Thank you so much to NUU for sending this over. I'm going to do another review soon, or a comparison video between the NUU N10 and the NUU N30, as well as some price comparisons as well. This is definitely their higher end phone compared to the NUU N10, but the NUU N10 is actually quite a competitor on its own. So yeah, thank you so much for sending both of these phones out, and let me know what you think in the comment section below.
Peace. You can learn a thing or two about a new device. Unboxing kudos, we rock that pseudo administrative elevator command. We build it up or break it down in that virtual lab. From conversations to games to interviews with a broader view. He keeps it fresh, always brings something new. It's MikeTheTech, MikeTheTech, the architect. MikeTheTech, yeah. MikeTheTech, the architect.